Alright, now welcome back. This is Michael, and right now we're gonna proceed to our My Account page. So we are going to create a My Account page so that your visitors will have the chance to log in or create a new account so that they can buy from your store and have subscription if you have emails. Alright, so I'm going to open the dashboard and go to appearance. And of course the customization, and go to menu settings and add my account page. So to do that, all we are going to do is just head back to our where's it, dashboard, and proceed to all pages, all pages. Excuse me. So I'm gonna close other tabs, and right now, as you can see, we have the my account page. So this is the one that I want to show in the menu. So right now we don't have the menu in the navigational link. So we will add that. So I'm going to go ahead to our appearance and then the menu settings. You can also do the customize, but the shorter version is this menu, the shorter way. Okay, shortcut. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the my account. Okay. And also you can add cart if you like. For now, oh yeah, let's try and then add cart and add to menu. Okay, so you will see that there are other pages that just opened right here. So it's up to you whether you like to make it under the account like this one, or just you want to show it directly to your user. So I'm gonna save menu. I'll wait for it to be saved. So gonna go ahead to our home, so that we will have the, so right there we now have the home, products, about us, blogs, contact us, my account, and then cart. So you will notice that the as you can see, we have here the WordPress design title. The, let's say the links just came down. It should be on the right, but because we have a longer, menu, so by default it will go to the another flex box, or let's say the elements will just go underneath. So to solve that, what you can do right here is probably you can change other information like this, like the other links to be like that, so that it will just show some tabs instead of all of them. So I'm gonna go back and reload the page. Now you will see that we have now different drop downs. Okay, so that would solve the problem. So here I put the cart also, so that people will know that they still have something in their cart. Okay, and of course they can proceed to check out anytime. And if they want to see what's in the my account, all they have to do is log in if they're already logged in. And right now, if they want just to register, they can just put the email right here and register. Okay, and let me check if there is something that we can do about the registration. So let's try and go back to WooCommerce and proceed to settings. Okay, because right here we have the accounts and privacy. So right here, accounts and privacy, I've just clicked, and right here we have the, on my account page, they can create account. So let me check if there is some ways so that we can configure how people would give their information. So okay, so there is no option where we can ask the user for their names and of course their number. But of course when they create their account, let's go back to our account. Let's try and do some usertest@gmail.com. Let's try and use a dummy account and register. Let me see if that will work. Okay, so right here the user can modify their account by clicking the account details. Okay, right there. So you will notice that here is the my account page, and when they go to my account, okay, so they will just go to this particular page, my account. If you wish to change the design of this particular my account page, you can do so by going to our pages, just like what we did before, all pages, and look for the my account page right here. And let's try and edit it using the edit, because we haven't used the Elementor for this particular page yet. But I'm gonna click the edit with my Elementor. So remember, you have to remember this particular shortcut. This is a shortcut. So what I'm going to do is copy and then edit it with Elementor, so that if there would be problems or issues loading the page and I lose that particular shortcode, I may be able to bring it back. So right here, as you can see, there's something that appears to be under the particular section, so it's not visible in here. But what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add some spacing with that particular section. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna put some margin, and I wanna make I think it's better to unlink everything, or let's say 100. Okay, what happened? All right, so let's try if that will work. So what I'm going to do is hit publish. Let's see if in incognito window there will be changes in regards to this particular page. So right there we have a much better looking what you call this one, my account page. Of course you can add images if you like. So I'm gonna put an image right here so that it will be more pleasing for people to. So don't remove this particular page or section because that contains the shortcut. Okay, so right now I'm gonna add an element and choose the image and just recycle some images right here. And what I'm going to do is I will drag that on the top of the page, and as you can see we still have the hidden section. So I'm gonna hit publish. So if you want to put some text, you can do so, of course, by using our Elementor plugin. So I think I've just hit the publish already, and let's reload my account page. So right there we now have an image in the dashboard for our login users there. But of course this part you will not be able to modify this unless you're advanced in WordPress. So that's why I encourage you to continue to learn WordPress, and I would give you some advices after this particular course. Before the end of this course, I'm gonna show you and tell you some tips and tricks to master your way to WordPress. Alright, so I guess that's it. If you want to log out, of course, we have here the logout. There are other ways that you can put a button right here on probably just below this particular page, and by clicking the button log out, you will be instantly logged out. So I'm gonna hit log out. What happened? And let us see what happens when we click the. So it is still logged in. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm using the cookies. There should be a logged out here. Okay, it should work, but it doesn't work. That's the problem. So so we have to, of course, close again so that the cookies will be cleared. And let's open another, and let's type the, let me check. Okay, so I haven't, let's check the, where is it? Okay, so this one, localhost, public HTML, and let's try and open my account. As you can see, it's still logged in because probably it's because of the cookies that I'm using with my browser. Okay, so just in case you open a new browser, you'll be able to log this out. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is, since I've done already with this particular page, I'm going to close this one by clicking the logo and exit to WordPress. Okay, and then another one, I'm gonna exit using the pages right there, and I'm gonna log out. Okay, so that there will be no what we can say this. Let's try and use the main or the Chrome, not the incognito one. So let's try and hit my account. So still the user test is still there. So I'm gonna just try and close everything, but not the, let's try which one is we can use with the new Google Chrome. Let's open a new Google Chrome, and let's proceed to, what is this one? Okay, to localhost public HTML, because that's where our WordPress website. Let me try, and if the cookies still there, so you have to clear your cookies. Okay, all right, so it takes a bit longer for it to open. All right, so I have a lot of shortcuts right over here. So of course you can delete them if you want. And still searching for the local HTML. Let's stop the search and then try and open it up again. Let's double check if our Apache MySQL is running. Yes, it's still running. Well, it's having some trouble loading the page, probably because of my what you call this one. I'm using a dummy, or so, let's say the never mind. I haven't. Oh, so we still have the user test right here, and we are not able to log out. I don't know the reason why. So there must be some problems with my local hosting or here in our computer. So we will check that out later. I'm gonna show you what happened and I'm gonna explain to you how are we able to log out. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna finish this topic and proceed to the next. All right, see you on our next topic. Goodbye.